I love discovering new towns, discovering new businesses, events, and the people that run them. Thanks to my friends at Thayer Ford, I'm able to set off in one of their cars and discover the 419.
All right, so what I got here was the Mega Mary, which is a Bloody Mary with all the fixings on top of it, and a breakfast taco. All right, after 2 breakfasts, I need a break. I need to stretch my legs, and I need to find some place to walk around. So I'm gonna check out first the Black Swamp Nature Preserve. Now I want to check out Simpson Garden. You know, I gotta say, I would not be able to be doing what I'm doing right now if not for Thayer Ford. So thank you, Thayer. Thank you for supporting this, supporting our community. And thank you for putting me up in such a sweet ride. I seriously love this Mustang. This is amazing. If you want to take a test drive, go over to Thayer Ford and say, hey, I want to test out that Mach-E Mustang.
Had some great breakfast, 2 actually. Saw some beautiful parks. Now it's time to go explore downtown Bowling Green.
Juniper Brewing Company. I'm out here tasting a few of their beers. I like this one. This is a Mexican lager. Comes with a little lime in it. So good. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's all. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. stuffed breadsticks from Campus Poly Eyes. I've been hearing a lot about it. That's really good. It's like 3 small pizzas right there. Like one of these would be enough. This is a small order. Okay, I get it. I get why everybody's talking about it. That's fantastic. I love the architecture of the buildings in downtown. I love the businesses that are down here. The people are great. The food's delicious. Lots of great stuff to do right here in Bowling Green. So if you're looking to do some exploring, you want to go take a day trip, come on down to BG, check it out. It's a great time. Thanks for watching. As always, get out there and discover the 419.